President Aquino today commended the Department of National Defense, or DND, for its achievements, as well as the soldiers' unwavering commitment in performing their duties. The President made the statement during the DND's 75th founding anniversary at Camp General Emilio Aguinaldo in Quezon City. Added details from Elena Luna.
President Aquino lauded the contributions of the men and women of the Department of National Defense in the reforms implemented by the Aquino administration. He commended the DND for its achievements and the soldiers for their unwavering commitment to fulfill their duties.
Batidin natin, malaking bahagi ng tungkulin ginagampanan ng ating tanggulan ay hindi lamang nakakahon sa bakbakan at pagtatanod sa bansa mula sa mga panloob at panlabas na banta. Nariyan din ang mandato niyong makiambag sa kaunlaran ng ekonomiya at ng kalakang lipunan. At sa larangan ito, saludo rin ako sa inyong di matatawarang sipag at dedikasyon.
He mentioned as example the construction of the Basilan Circumferential Road, set to be completed next year after years of neglect because of the peace and order situation in the area.
Oras na matapos ang pagpapagawa ng kalsada nito, ang dating 3 oras at 45 minutong biyahe sa pagbagtas ng Circumferential Road magiging 2 oras na lang. Ang bilang na makikinabang ditong residente nasa 450,000 katao. Kasama rito ang mga mangingisda at magsasakang mas mabilis na maihatid ang kanilang ani patungong pamilihan. At ang mga biyaherong mas maliwalas na ang magiging paglakbay. Gayun din, sa mas maayos na kalsada, mas mabilis na makakaresponde ang ating mga uniformadong hanay sa oras ng pangangailangan.
The anniversary became the venue to launch the Philippine Defense Transformation Roadmap 2028. This will ensure initiatives of the Aquino government will continue even beyond the President's term. Under the AFP Modernization and Capability Program, the government has released 41.38 billion pesos from June 2010 to October 2014. A total of 46 projects have been completed under the program, including the acquisition of helicopters and ships.
Magsisilbi itong master plan upang siguruhin ang lahat ng ating inisyatiba ay konkretong naipapatupad. Sinusiguro natin hindi mababaliwala ang ating mga pinaghihirapan. Sa komprehensibong plano ito, titiyaking nagtutugma ang roadmap sa mga kaugnay na ahensya ng DND upang maabot ang ganap na transformasyon ng ating tanggulan.
The President reiterated his program to improve the situation of the country's soldiers by having housing and livelihood and fixing the pension system. During the program, 10 individuals were given awards, namely the Outstanding Achievement Medal, the Philippine Legion of Honor with the degrees of Officer and Legionnaire. For the People's Television, Elena Luna.